Yeah, good evening, students. So, today let's try to understand lesson 5. Okay, so lesson 5 is represent division of unit fractions by non zero whole numbers. So, in the previous lesson, you have seen how to divide whole numbers by unit fractions, but here we will see how to divide unit fraction by whole number. So we will try to understand this. All right. So look at this question in page 147. A farmer divides one fifth acre, one fifth. So please underline this one fifth acre into three equal sections. So we must underline two important numbers here. One is one fifth acre and the another one is three equal sections to plant vegetables. What fraction of an acre is each section? So acre is like you measure the land, that is called acre. So here a farmer is dividing his land, one fifth acre land, into three equal sections. So let us try to see the fraction model. What is the fraction model of this question? The fraction model of this question is something like this. Now the farmer has used one fifth acre. So one fifth yani one fifth. So what do you mean by one fifth? One whole, and we have one whole which is divided into five equal parts, right? So this is one whole which is divided into five equal parts. One, two, three, four, five. Each part is one fifth. Each part is one fifth, like this. So this is one fifth, this is one fifth, this is one fifth, this is one fifth, and this is one fifth. Okay, so together it will become one whole. Now what he has done, the farmer, he has divided one fifth into three equal sections. So this is step one. In step one, what he has done, you are seeing one fifth acre of the land. In step two, he is dividing this one fifth into three equal sections. This is one fifth, right? So this one fifth, each one fifth, we can divide into three parts. One, two, three. One, two, three. This is also one fifth, right? So each one fifth we will divide into three equal parts. Now the question is, how much, what fraction of an acre is each section? So the question is this one, this number, this small portion, how much is it? How much is this portion? So if you take one portion, this small piece, this small part, okay, of the part of the fraction, the total will become how much? 15 parts are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5, these are 5, and this 5. These are 5 parts, and these are 5 parts, and these are 5 parts. So total is 15 parts, and 1 out of it will become 1 over 15. So your answer will be, each section will be 1/15th acre. Each section will be 1/15th acre. That means first you have to divide one whole into 5 equal parts. Then one fifth part, divide every one fifth part you can divide into three equal parts, right? Then each part, this part will be 1/15th, 1 over 15, right? So this is the fraction model. This is called a fraction model. Now 1 by 5 divided by 3, how much did you get? 1 by 15. This is very simple when you do mathematically. Mathematically, how do we do? 1 by 5, 1 by 5 or divided by 3. Now what I will do is, this part, this fraction, you keep it as it is. Okay, next switch this division to multiplication. Okay, switch this division to multiplication and change this 3 as 1 over 3. Okay, so simply what you do, put the first fraction as it is, don't change this, keep this as it is, keep the fraction as it is. Next, you switch the symbol, yani you change the division symbol to multiplication, and then reverse the whole number, reverse this whole number as a reciprocal, means reverse 3. The reverse of 3 whole number will be 1 by 3. This is called the reciprocal of a number. Reciprocal. So you learnt in term 1. What do you mean by reciprocal? Reciprocal of 5 is 1 by 5. Any whole number is like 1 by something. Now it's very easy. 1 into 1 is 1. 5 times 3 is 15. So the answer is 1 over 15. Okay. Let's try to understand another question. Peter has 1/4 gallon of water. He equally shares the water between his two dogs. Okay. Now, how much water will each dog get? So, let us try to understand the fraction model. So, how will we model this fraction? 1/4. 1/4 means you take one whole and cut this one whole to 4 equal parts. Okay, split this into 4 equal parts. Then you will get 1/4 like this. So this is 1/4. I will try to make it equal. Okay, 1 second. Let me make it equal. So we'll take one whole and then try to divide and or split this one whole into 4 equal parts. Okay, 4 equal parts. So this is 1/4, this is 1/4, this is 1/4, and this is 1/4. Now he equally shares the water between his two dogs. That means now each 1/4 is divided into two parts because he is dividing it into two dogs. So if you try to understand this problem as a fraction model, divide each 1/4 part into two like this. I'll use another color. So equal, two equal, like this, like this, like this. Okay. Now how many parts are there total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now total 8 parts. But if I ask you how much is one part, then this obviously clearly it is 1 over 8. This is 1 over total 8. This is one part over 8. This will also become 1 over 8. This will become 1 over 8. Okay, like that all the parts will become 1 over 8. Each part will become 1 over 8. So the question is how much water will each dog get? Each dog. That means each portion, each part. So the answer, simply the answer is 1/4 divided by 2. You will get 1 over 8. So when you try to do this as mathematically, if you want to do in without the fraction model, how will you do? 1 by 4. This division, switch the symbol as multiplication and reverse 2 as 1 over 2. So the answer is 1 over 8. Okay. So this is how you do it. So let's try to do 1 or 2 questions, and the rest of the questions you can do it. It's very simple chapter. 1/3 divided by 4. Now 1 by 3 divided by 4. Just now what did we say? 1 by 3. Change this division symbol to multiplication and 4 as 1 by 4. This is the rule actually. So how to calculate the rule of division of a fraction, unit fraction by a whole number? The rule is the fraction, keep it as it is, change the division symbol to multiplication and reverse 4. So when you reverse 4, I'll get 1 by 4. So 1 by 3 times 1 by 4 is 1 into 1 is 1 upon 3 times 4 is 12. So the answer is 1 over 12. Okay. Now let's try to understand this question. 1 by 2 divided by 9. So 1 by 2, I will keep it as it is. Division I'll change to multiplication, and 9 I will reverse this 9 as 1 over 9. So the answer will be 1 to 1 is 1 over 2 times 9 is 18. Okay. So the questions are too easy. So these are the exercise questions of page 147. So please try to solve these questions. Okay, and post it as homework in the WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.